Good evening everyone. From the last two videos, we learned how to say my feet, my hair, my eyes, my cheeks, your eyebrows, your hair, your feet, your arm. Tonight on this video, let's learn how to say her or his. Example, his hair, his nose, his eyes, or her skin, her hair, her eyes, and such. So, let's start. In Ilocano, to say his or her, we use the pronoun na. Na. So, let's practice using na. Examples, his hair or her hair, buok na, buok na. His cheeks, ping-ping na, ping-ping na. Or her cheeks, ping-ping na. Her hair is beautiful. Napintas ti buok na. Napintas ti buok na. Na pintas ti buok na. At another example, his feet is so big. Nagdakkel ti saka na. Nagdakkel, dakkel, nagdakkel ti saka na. Let's say that again. Nagdakkel ti saka na. Dakkel, nagdakkel ti saka na. I know his name. Ammok tinagan na. I know his name. Ammok, ti nagan. Nagan or name. Na. Ammok, I know. Tinagan na, his name. Ammok tinagan na. Or, you can say, let's say that it's a girl. I know her name. Ammok tinagan na. Ammok tinagan na. Her face is beautiful. Napintas ti rupa na. Napintas ti rupa na. Napintas ti rupa na. His hair or her hair, buok na. His eyebrows or her eyebrows, kiday na. His ears or her ears, his ears or her ears, lapayag na. Lapayag na. His body or her body, bagina. Bagina. His hands or her hands, ima na. Ima na. So, that's it for tonight and see you in the next video. Good night.